everyone, I am going to show you how to upload a video in YouTube. We have to type studio.youtube.com. So now we have to click on select files. So we can choose any file we want. So for now I am choosing this one. I am clicking on open. We can keep any title. So I am keeping about pollution. So we can keep whatever description we want. So we can choose whatever playlist we want. So I am choosing tutorial start by Nikhil. You have to click on done. So next we have to choose whether it is made for kids or not. Okay, I am choosing it's made for kids. Now we can type hashtag so that we will get more views. I am typing pollution. So I am choosing category as science and technology, and also we can choose our thumbnail, what thumbnail we want. These are the default thumbnails that are shown by Google, which are taken from the video, or we can upload our own thumbnail. So I am keeping land pollution thumbnail. So it's the main thing. So in the visibility we can choose that whether it could private, be public and unlisted. So it is better to choose public because everyone can watch your video. So you have to click on publish. So our video is published. So thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel to find more videos like this.